Hi, I'm Tiana,
Hi, I'm Justin.
and we're gonna be dissecting this guy.
Yeah, we're dissecting the frog, so
Yeah.
enjoy. Okay, so now we have the internal anatomy here of the frog here. So first thing we noticed here are the fat bodies, which are these spongy-like things that are like on the side of the frog here. Now, the main function of these fat bodies is that frogs store majority of their fats in here, which is why it's important. Up next, just like the shark, the frog also has 3 lobes of liver: the right lobe, the left lobe, and the middle lobe. And then the liver over here, well, specifically, it helps detoxify the waste, where it is essential for part of the digestive system. And the way it does that is it has bile, the most important thing for the liver. And as we lift up this, we can see the gallbladder over here, this greenish thing over here. And then the gallbladder actually helps the liver out. Well, what I mean by that is, like, it stores the bile where it's important for the liver function specifically. And up next, if we lift the liver here, we have the stomach here. You see the small thing over here? The stomach pretty much helps with breaking down the food into smaller pieces. So, like, it pretty much makes the intestines' jobs much easier. And up next, as we connect the stomach here, which leads us to the small intestines over here. The small intestines is where the food is further digested, and has a duodenum and an ileum where it has their own digestion fluids that helps specifically with digestion. And up next, if we clear it out here, we have the large digestion here. And the large digestion helps with absorption of water and other ions. This finalizes pretty much everything, like it finishes up with the digestion, and it exits out where the cloaca is. And the cloaca will be discussed later in the other internal anatomy video. Thank you.
So right here is the cloaca, and it's used for the digestive, urinary, and reproductive system, and it's the exit for all of those different things that come out of that. So then next are the kidneys, which are right here. Here's the first kidney, and the second kidney right over here, and they're used for filtering blood, waste, and for producing urine. Then right here is the reproductive organs, or the testes. That's used for producing sperm. And then right up here we have the heart, and the pericardial sac, which is right around it. And the heart circulates blood throughout the body, and the pericardial sac is meant for protecting the heart from any external injury. And so the coracoid is next right here. It's this bony area, and it's used to stabilize the shoulder joint. And pancreas was not visible, and the pancreas was not visible, but its function is to secrete digestive fluids into the pancreatic duct, which then travels into the bile duct. And finally, here we have the spleen. Its purpose is to filter out old red blood cells and replenish them with new red blood cells, as well as lymphocytes.